Understanding approve, meanings, uses, and common mistakes. Have you ever wondered why some ideas get the green light while others are shut down? Today, we're exploring a word that's all about giving the thumbs up. Approve. Word type. Approve is primarily used as a verb, though it can also function as an adjective in certain forms. Meaning, to approve means to officially agree to or accept something as satisfactory. It can also mean to have a positive opinion of someone or something. Word history. The word approve comes from the Old French approver, which itself comes from the Latin approbare, meaning to assent to as good. Antonyms. Some words that mean the opposite of approve include disapprove, reject, and deny. Synonyms. Words with similar meanings to approve include accept, endorse, sanction, and authorize. Examples used in sentences. The committee will meet next week to approve the new budget. Her parents didn't approve of her decision to quit her job and travel the world. The FDA must approve all new medications before they can be sold to the public. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing approve with improve. While they sound similar, improve means to make something better, while approve means to give permission or show liking. Another error is using of instead of for after approve in certain contexts. We say approve of a person or idea, but approve a plan or request. To wrap up, remember that approve is about giving the okay, whether it's for an official decision or just showing you like something. It's a versatile word that can help you express agreement and acceptance in various situations. Mastering its use will certainly improve your English skills and maybe even get you that stamp of approval on your IELTS test.